Hi, I'm Jessica Fensel. I'm the Tech Integrationist for Atlantic Community School District. This is a tutorial on the website Remind 101. It's a safe way for teachers to text messages for students, and I think this would also be great use for coaches as well. First thing I would do is go ahead and sign up right here. I already have an account. I'm going to go ahead and sign in, so give me one moment to sign into my account. The first thing it'll ask you is to go ahead and create a class. I'm just going to go ahead and create a class called Tech 101. I'm going to go ahead and click Add. Once you do that, it is going to ask you to grab your phone. I'm going to go ahead and bring my phone up. So here is my phone. What we're going to look at here today is the messages. So you'll notice in the instructions here, it says enter this number. So I'm going to go ahead and click on my messages here. And I'm going to go ahead and enter this number, 71712-522-5400. That's all they got to do. That's all I have to do. That's the students have to do the same thing. And then you'll notice text this message. The message is @Mrs. F-I-N-C-E. Oops, let's spell it right. F-I-N-C-E. And then I'm going to go ahead and hit send. And then you'll notice here shortly I'm going to get a message back from them. It says, "Thanks, Jessica Fensel. You have signed up for Thanks for signing up for this class on Remind 1 and Remind 101." So once you've done that, then you could go ahead and send a test sample. So I'm going to go ahead and hit test, and I'm going to hit send. Then I'm going to bring my phone back up here, and you'll notice right here it says Mrs. Fensel test. So I've gotten that email from Mrs. Fensel to my phone. Now, you'll notice I am the only subscriber to this phone. So if I wanted to invite other students, I'm going to follow the instructions right here. Invite students and parents. And if you hover over this, it'll actually give you an option to present. So you could bring this up in a classroom setting, have them type in this number and type in what the message is, and so on. Other than that, you could do a screenshot, you could send the instructions via link to them via email, or just put this information on a little sticky note and have everybody do it. Simple as that. So I'm going to go ahead and close out of this. If I wanted to, I can add another class. So if, let's say, for example, if I was a coach, I would want this for both boys and girls tennis. So I might want to add a class add a new one. I might say boys tennis. Well, I could actually, in the second class, I'm not quite sure why you can't in the first class, but in the second class you create, you can actually customize it to the best of your ability, or so on. That won't be any, but you could customize it. Go ahead and add that class. You'll notice the number is going to be the same, but the code is different. So your number is always the same, assigned to your account, but then you'll notice your code is different per class. The other thing is, what I like about this is you can go to your settings, and you can go to your account. You can see information there. So don't forget under the gear there. You can also schedule invites as well. You can schedule an invite, or a text message, excuse me. So if you know the bus is leaving at 2:30, you want them a little text reminder at 2:20. Don't forget to bring your shoes, whatever the case may be, or you have an assignment that's due. You could go to all messages, and you could see all the messages that have been sent, which is great, and so on. So in a nutshell, it's a pretty easy tool. Like I said, it's a one-way communication, and your number is the same, just depending on your code. The other thing I want to bring up real quick is, if you do have a smartphone, I would strongly recommend that you use this as your smartphone. I'm going to pull up my phone here again. You can notice we have the text messages. Let me get out of that. But I have already installed the Remind 101 app. I'm going to click on the Remind 101 app, and you can see my classes, all classes if I wanted to. You can see all the messages that are here. You can compose a new one from here. So I'm going to select the team Tech 101. I'm going to select the team Tech 101, and I'm going to go ahead and select that. Done, and I'm going to write test. So easy as that is. And then you can see I just got my reminder. So anyway, it's kind of fun. It's just really on the website. It's just a cloud-based system. You can use it on your phone. Again, the app is Remind 101. and so on. You can see the class codes that are there, and you have a setting. You mess with it as well. Anyway, if you have any questions, my contact information I will leave here on the screen, and I hope you have a great day. Thanks.